everyone, Namaste and welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Neha and name of my YouTube channel is Let's Talk About Accounting. In this video, I will be explaining you that how you can create the duplicate entry in Tally. Okay, so if you're creating the same voucher again and again and you almost want to create the same voucher every month. So instead of creating the same voucher every time, so that you can use one shortcut key which will of course reduce your workload. Okay, and that shortcut key will be used to create a duplicate entry. Fine. Now what is the purpose and what is the significance of this duplicate entry? Okay, so I have taken one live example. I will be explaining you about this live example, that how you can create a duplicate entry. First of all, let's go to accounting voucher. Okay, so I have a commitment on 1st April 2020 to pay rent. Okay, so I will rent paid for office, of course. Okay, and it's something 9,000. Okay, so being rent paid to Mr. Amol. Okay, so I have taken the example that I have one commitment of paying the rent every month, and that rent I will be paying in cash, and I'm paying that rent to Mr. Amol. Okay, you can create this voucher by using a single entry system or double entry system. Any way can help you, but if you are having only one owner to whom you want to pay the rent, then there is no need to create double entry system vouchers. Okay, just single entry system is enough. That means rent paid, account debit to cash account. Okay, now I will accept this voucher, and every month on first of every month I want to pay that rent. And if you are making this voucher entry for the whole year, you are accounting this rent for the whole year, then what is the shortcut key which you will use to reduce your workload? Okay, now just go to profit and loss account. You can go even in ledger also. Okay, just go to display, go to account books and ledger, and there rent paid. I will open this voucher. Now just give the whole period. It's 1st April to 31st March 2021. Okay, now this is my period, and now I want to create the same entry, this cash entry of rent paid every month, first of every month, means on 1st May, 1st June, 1st July, anyhow. Okay, so in order to duplicate the entry in Tally, place the cursor on the entry you wish to duplicate. So my cursor is on this entry only. Now what is the shortcut key which you will use? It's Alt plus 2. Okay, I have pressed Alt plus 2. Okay, and this duplicate voucher has been opened. You can see over here, accounting voucher creation duplication. So now duplicate voucher has been opened, and now whatever changes I have to make, I can make over here. Now I want to change the date, just date, because rest my amount and my narration will be same. So press F2 and give the date as 1st of May and accept the voucher. Okay, see, my duplicate voucher has been created, or my duplicate entry has been created. Again, I have to create the same voucher in the month of June. So instead of going to accounting voucher and creating this voucher every time, I will just simply press Alt plus 2. And now I will change my date. It will be 1st June and accept this. Alright, so my voucher for June month has also been created. Again, so, and even you can place your cursor anywhere on 1st of April or 1st of May, because to create this duplicate entry, you have to keep your cursor on the same entry which you want to duplicate. But as I'm having the same entries only, so I can keep my cursor anywhere. Okay, now I'm keeping it on May. And even one more thing, if you want to create a duplicate entry, okay, so you can do it by clicking over here. You can see where my cursor is duplicate. So I will press either over here, or I will press the shortcut key as Alt plus 2. Now I will press over here, and I will change the date to 1st of July and accept. Alright, so my voucher or my entry for July month has also been created. Okay, so this was about creating the duplicate vouchers. If you are doing the accounting work for the whole year, it happens sometimes in a small business that you don't account your transactions every day. you accounted for the whole year because you're having very less transactions. Okay, so if you're doing the same thing, then there is no need for you to create the voucher entry again and again. By going in accounting voucher and creating the entry, you can simply type or create your entry once, and if you have created this entry once, just go to that ledger for which you want to create the same entry every month. Okay, so yes, it is possible by using this duplicate key. All right, so this was all about creation of duplicate entry. Thank you for watching my video. Do subscribe my YouTube channel if you are interested to learn Tally free of cost. Okay, if you want to know more about accounting, do subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's talk about accounting. Thank you for watching my video.